Hi everyone, I'm Faiz. I'm a photographer and content creator, and I'm going to show small businesses simple ways to make their visuals pop. Today, I'll be showing you how to edit your JPG images on Adobe Express. We'll be going over background removal, filters, adding text, and a couple of other tricks to make sure your images look like they were edited by a pro, even if you're short on time. Let's get started. Head over to the Adobe Express website. Once you're on the dashboard, just upload your JPG file and you're ready to roll. One of my favorite tools is the background removal. Head to the Edit tab, just one click and Adobe Express cuts out the background, leaving you with a clean subject. This is perfect for small businesses. Next up, filters and adjustments. You can go bold, vintage, or soft depending on your brand vibe. And with sliders for brightness, contrast, and saturation, you're in full control. For example, a boutique can make outfit photos pop with colors that feel vibrant and on trend. Now, let's add text. Say you're running a boutique. You can drop your sale announcement right on top of a photo. Adobe Express even saves your brand colors and fonts, so all your posts feel consistent. It's like having a mini design team in your pocket. Here are a couple of ways small businesses can use Adobe Express to edit their JPGs. A restaurant removes the background of dish photos to create clean, modern menus. Or a fitness coach adds bold text on workout shots for Instagram Reels. An online shop uses filters to keep all product photos consistent across their website. And that's it. Editing JPG images on Adobe Express is simple, fast, and a game changer for small businesses. Try it out today. Link is in the caption below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.